Just like we created the blog post, our first blog post, we can also create pages in WordPress. I'll just go to pages and we'll just click on add new pages. So let me just create a about us page. So I can just write down the title as about us, and I can just write a few lines about this page. We are in this since 2010 and love companies grow their business digitally. Like we discussed all the options in the WordPress post, they are same in WordPress pages as well. So there is no fundamental difference. One difference to be notified here is that there is no categories. There are featured images. However, pages we do not opt to add featured images. So I'll just click on publish, and the article has been published. I can also add some hyperlinks. So let me just copy paste this entire article. Again, the read more tag is not required when you are typing in the pages. The read more tag is not required in this case. There is one more interesting feature that you would like to explore in WordPress, and that is revisions. Revisions will automatically come once you have updated the article more than once. What does the revision do? Let's say accidentally I just lost the entire article and I've updated it. Now when I open this thing, it will show me the blank about us page with no content in it. But let's say I had mentioned all the content and now accidentally I have deleted it. I can easily click on the browse option and I can just roll back to an earlier version which had some content in it. I can just click on restore this revision, and automatically I will get all the content back. I can just update it here, and when I refresh the page now, I can see all the content there. One more thing is I can add the about us page instead of the sample page in the menu. So whenever you create a new page, it will automatically appear in the menus tab. And here we have the sample page. I can just do away with this page, and I can select the about us page and add it to the menu, and I can just save the menu, and now we can see the about us page in the menu.